Welcome to the DV Comm Systems channel, where we bring you another successful installation. The project spotlight is protecting what matters most for R.C. Robbins and family. At DV Comm Systems Corporation, we understand that technology is not just about equipment and cables, it's about protecting families, providing peace of mind, and improving quality of life. We recently completed a comprehensive security camera and electrical upgrade project for our client, R.C. Robbins, whose primary goal was to ensure the safety and well-being of his aging mother and to monitor the activities of her and the home care attendant while he is away. To provide complete coverage of the property, DV Comm Systems installed 8 high-definition PTZ, pan-tilt-zoom, security cameras, 8 dedicated electrical receptacles strategically located next to each camera location for future expansion and equipment upgrades, 8-channel network video recorder, NVR, 4 TB surveillance hard drive for reliable video storage and playback, full system configuration, testing, and customer training. The PTZ cameras allow the family to remotely monitor the property with crystal clear video, zoom capabilities, and broad viewing angles, providing enhanced security both inside and outside the residence. During our site assessment, we discovered that the property's existing electrical panel was outdated and abandoned by the federal government, which no longer met modern safety standards. As part of this project, DV Comm Systems coordinated the replacement of the obsolete electrical panel with a modern code-compliant circuit breaker panel, helping to bring the condominium up to current electrical requirements and providing a safer electrical infrastructure for future technology upgrades. For R.C. Robbins, this project was about more than security cameras. It was about caring for a loved one. With the new surveillance system in place, R.C. can now check on his mother from anywhere, verify that caregivers are providing quality care, receive peace of mind knowing the property is protected 24/7, access recorded footage whenever needed, monitor the home remotely using a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Why clients choose DV Comm Systems? Because at DV Comm Systems, we specialize in CCTV and security camera systems, structured cabling and network infrastructure, electrical and low-voltage integration, video intercom systems, wireless network solutions, testing and certification services. Whether you're protecting a family member, securing a business, or upgrading your property's technology infrastructure, our team delivers professional, reliable, and future-ready solutions. If you need a security system for your home or business, let DV Comm Systems design a custom solution that keeps you connected and protected. Call us today at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com. Like and subscribe for more informative installation completed by DV Comm Systems.